Hado is the way of tea, means Korean tea ceremony. The host who prepares for the tea ceremony cleans the teapot and cups first. It's the sympathy for guests sign of respect. The guest will see it and find that they are really treated as a king and a queen. All the vessels are warmed up one by one to ensure the temperature doesn't drop later when actually sipping the tea. Technically, making tea is not that difficult. The process is boil water, make tea, and enjoy it. That's it. But there's just one thing you need to know about it. The most important part of this ceremony is taking your time. Feel the warmness going into yourself like a meditation. It's all about love yourself. Find a little spot in your daily life and make your own magical juice. Maybe you will chill and make a grilled hot dog, Korean traditional dessert that goes so well with any kinds of tea. It's a self-inquiry, very enjoyable journey, whether you are a true expert or not. Smell the leaves and enjoy it. Delicate and young leaves. And put the leaves into the teapot. And pour water. Water for green tea usually be cooled down a bit for 1 or 2 minutes, but other than green tea, we can just use hot water. And water from warm teacups is thrown out from bottom to top. While you're doing this, check the temperature of the cups, whether it's too hot or just warm enough to serve the tea. Feel the warmness, concentrate on yourself, find the happiness and fulfillment embodied in yourself. Check the color to make sure tea is fully steeped. If so, pour water in 2 or 3 parts to ensure even taste in all 3 cups. Make sure you take some time. Voila! During serving, one hand places below the other as a sign of respect, or just keep the sleeves from dipping into cup. For drinking tea, one hand holds the cup while the other holds the bottom. This is done by all, men or women, young or old, to show respect to each other. And the server takes the first sip to taste it, and if it's good, tells everybody to enjoy it. Unfortunately, there is no single guest in my cafe. I'll just finish the whole tea all by myself. Bon appetit!